Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to floss around a permanent retainer. In this video, I'll be going over the basic steps for flossing your teeth if you have a permanent retainer in your mouth. If you take a look on my bottom row of teeth, I'm gonna get up close and personal with the camera right now, so just take a look behind my bottom row of teeth at the front here. You'll see that I have a permanent retainer right there. That's it right there. So that retainer is actually, I guess, glued onto my teeth, sort of permanently there, glued into my mouth. And if you don't know how to use this simple method that I'm going to show you, it can be quite difficult to floss around that. So you're going to be flossing your teeth and you're going to be like, there's all this plaque here, there's all this food here. I'm going to show you a simple, easy method that I use to floss around that retainer. I don't know who invented this method, but I sort of came up with it when I was a kid. I'm sure I'm not the first person to think of it, but it works really, really well. So I'm going to explain it and show you how to do it. Take a nice long piece of floss right here. So you're going to be flossing your top row of teeth, or wherever there's not the retainer. And when you get to the retainer, what you want to do is the following. You want to put the floss, between two of the teeth that are part of the retainer. So I'm going to use these middle two bottom teeth here. Put it between them, just like that, okay? And you can see that the retainer actually stops it, stops the floss from going down. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the back part of the floss. Sorry about that, let me just stop talking. The part of the floss that goes to the back of your mouth, you're gonna wrap that around the tooth beside it. So check this out. Look, I'm gonna wrap this around like that. Okay? And pull it down, and then pull the piece of floss down. And as you can see right here, I actually got under the retainer. So now I'm actually beneath the retainer. So I can floss my teeth like this, beneath the retainer, pull this back out, okay? And now I can do the same thing on the other side. Put the floss like this, wrap it around the tooth, like that. So look, check this out. Okay, like that, pull it down, and then boom, I'm underneath the retainer. As you can see, look at that, right there. Up close and personal, right there. I am beneath the retainer. I can floss, pull it up, do the same thing over here, wrap it around, pull it down. Just like that. Simple, really simple. Okay? Same thing on the other tooth. Like that, wrap it around. So check it out, I'll show you once again. I know you probably can't understand a word I'm saying, but hopefully you see what's going on here. So I'm going like that, one more time, like that, wrap it around, pull it down, just like that. And behind the retainer, just like that, okay? And that's it. So essentially what you want to do, take the floss, put it on your teeth regularly, and then wrap it around the tooth, pull down, just like that. And you can see all the way at the bottom, I'm behind the retainer. That's the method that I use to floss around a permanent retainer. A temporary retainer, a removable one, you could just pull out, but a permanent one is going to be there forever, I guess. I don't know. So that's the method that I use. It's simple, it's easy to use, and it allows me to clean my teeth around that permanent retainer without it ever hindering my ability to floss or clean my teeth. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.